Hey, have you seen the latest ideas on AI automation making money while you sleep? It's pretty wild. Like, you can set things up and let AI handle everything.
Exactly. So what stands out is this whole approach where AI does the heavy lifting on content creation and even trading, right?
Yeah, absolutely. It starts by letting AI tools write full blog posts and create content in seconds. Think ChatGPT or Jasper. Then you monetize it with ads or affiliate links.
That's pretty awesome. And then there's the whole idea of faceless YouTube channels where you don't have to show your face. Instead, you use tools like Pictory or Synthesia, add in AI voiceovers with 11 Labs, and boom, you've got a channel running 24/7.
Right. It's like automating your entire digital presence. And it's not just limited to content. Even e-commerce gets in on it. Your Shopify store can be set up with AI tools like AutoDS that handle product sourcing and shipping.
That's smart. I get it, but I wonder, isn't there a risk in putting all your trust in automation? I mean, relying on trading bots, for instance, seems a bit risky.
Sure, that's a valid point. But here's the thing. These bots, like 3 Commas or Trade Santa, are programmed to buy low and sell high. They take care of trading in stocks or cryptocurrencies, even while you're asleep.
Yeah, that sounds intriguing yet a bit nerve-wracking, right? Exactly. It's like letting someone else drive your car on a busy highway. But then they also mention AI-powered freelancing, where you use tools to create Fiverr gigs, ranging from design to writing, which can really bring in some quick
that's
cash.
True. Yeah, it's like a whole suite of passive income strategies. You can run a blog, a YouTube channel, an e-commerce store, engage in algorithmic trading, or even offer freelance services. All designed to work while you catch some Z's.
Right, it's kind of like having multiple streams of income all automated. And while these methods sound too good to be true, they really show how much AI is transforming our standard work setup. It's like you create the blueprint and let the tech do its magic.
Exactly, but like you said, there's a flip side. Over-reliance on these tools without proper oversight might backfire. A bit of human control is always necessary.
Yeah, definitely. The human element shouldn't be completely sidelined. Ultimately, whether it's blogging, video creation, e-commerce, trading bots, or freelancing with AI's help, there's plenty of potential for making money while grinding less.
For sure. It's a blend of harnessing powerful AI while still keeping an eye on the nuances. So which side of the coin do you think offers
that's the
most
million-dollar
promise?
question, right? Absolutely. It's all about balancing automation with smart strategies. It's an exciting time for digital entrepreneurship, don't you think?
No doubt about it. AI is redefining how we earn passively. Thanks for chatting about this revolutionary twist on making money while we sleep.
Yep, totally agree.
Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.